Here's lesson 7 for math. We're going to continue working with money, but this time we're on everybody's favorite, word problems. And everyone loves word problems because we get to answer them with a complete sentence. Number 1, Grace has 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 12 pennies. How much money does she have? So you can do 3 dimes. If you'd like, you can draw it out, or you can know that a dime is 10 cents. Nickels are 5 cents. And pennies are 1 cent, sorry. So you have 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 12 pennies. You can add those up. 3 dimes. So I'll draw my dimes. So each one is 10 cents. 10, 10, and 10 equals 30. Plus, we have 2 nickels. So we draw our nickels. Mr. Schmitz is not an artist. So our 2 nickels, 5 plus 5 equals 10. And we have 12 pennies that you could draw out, and each one of those is 1, so it will be plus 12. I'm just going to save time by not drawing all 12 pennies, or we'd be here forever. 30 plus 10, we should know is 40. And then 40 plus 12, you can set it up the vertical way if you would like. 40 plus 12 is going to be 52. So it's not just 52. She doesn't have 52. 52 what? She has 52 cents. And then, like I said, everyone loves, we get to write it in a sentence. So you have to restate the question. How much money does she have? You can take the words right from the question. She has 52 cents. So you would write she has 52 cents. All right. Now you can go on and do numbers 2 and 3. Some of these might be a little more complicated. Like 3, Mamadou found 39 cents in the sofa last week. This week he found 2 nickels, 4 dimes, and 5 pennies. How much money does he have altogether? So you'll need to take last week's, add up this week's, and then add the 2 together. The second page of the problem set, more of the same. Don't forget to answer in complete sentences. I don't think any of these go over $1. But if they do, you have to remember that the dollar sign comes before the number. But it looks like they're all going to be cents this time. The homework. Owen has 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 16 pennies. How much does he have? Again, I would draw them out, add them up all together. 3, Carrie has 2 dimes, 1 quarter, and 11 pennies in her pocket. Then she bought a soft pretzel for 35 cents. How much money does Carrie have left? So add up all the money, figure out how much Carrie has, and then subtract the price of a pretzel to find out how much she has left. On the second homework page, there are more word problems. I would like you to please upload this page right here, questions 4, 5, and 6 to Seesaw. Thank you.